There we go. There we go. Good morning.
Morning.
What you cooking? Good looking? Whoa.
Blueberry pancakes.
Name with real Canadian maple syrup.
Right.
Sugar Creek. What? It's from the cottage. Yummy. And so last night we kind of chilled here, had dinner. There's a beautiful moon out there. Let's give you a tour of the trailer. Freezer. Jen. Yummy. It's like MTV Cribs. What's in your fridge? There's the bathroom. Walk-in closet. Whoa. We got it semi-organized. Shower. Hello? That's it. Smelling good. Yummy. Their cozy little bed already. There's our little tribute to the Ohm. It's awesome. And that's it. Hello, people! We haven't been kicked out yet, so we're just gonna, milk it for as long as we can. This trailer's been here all night too, so we're good. Alright, so Nebraska, we're gonna try to get to Wyoming today. We'll see. That's it, that's all.